In today's video, I want to talk about how the conversational AI can help users refine and clarify their needs through an interactive dialogue-driven progress. So AI can help the users refine their initial idea, but just keep asking relevant questions and responding their preferences. So in this way, the user can progressively clarify and specify their needs. Oh, what I need, which leading to a more satisfactory outcome. So this step-by-step approach mimics the human decision-making progress, which making AI interactions feel more natural and effective. Imagine a scenario when you're selecting a car. You may ask, I need a cheap car, and AI maybe asks, how about a used compact car? They are generally affordable and efficient. And you may say, I need it to have enough space for weekend camping trips. Maybe a used SUV would be better fit because they offer more space and can still be affordable. Fuel efficiency is also important to me. So, a compact crossover might be a right choice because it offers more space than a compact car, but is more efficient than a full-size SUV. Imagine a scenario where you try to purchase a new laptop. You may ask, I need a new laptop, and AI may say, what will you be using the laptop for mostly? And you may say, mainly for work, but also do some video editing. And AI may say, great, do you need something lightweight? Oh, weight is not much an issue. It should be lightweight because I travel a lot. Understand. And what about the battery life? Is that important to you? Absolutely. The longer the battery life, the better. Oh, I will try to find the options that are lightweight and suitable for video editing and have a longer battery life. Do you have a preferred brand or budget in mind? I'd prefer stick to Apple's product if it is possible. Oh, I'm looking for the latest MacBook models that fit your another requirements. And another scenario is when you're choosing a new phone. You maybe ask, I need a new phone. And AI maybe ask, what kind of feature are you looking for? And you may say, a good camera or a longer battery life. Do you prefer a larger or smaller screen? A larger screen. How about iPhone 15 Pro Max? It has a great camera and a long battery life. I heard Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is also good. Both phones are excellent choices, but do you have a preference for operating system like iOS or Android? And continue. Another scenario is planning a wedding. So your initial demand may be, I want to plan a small wedding, and AI maybe suggest a backyard wedding could be intimate and affordable. I could prefer it to be at a vernal with some indoor space in case of rain, How about a small event hall with an attached garden? That's great, but I also want some scenic view for photos. Oh, a small vernals by lakes might be ideal, which offering both indoor space and scenic views. Imagine a scenario when you're planning a vacation. You may ask, I need a vacation, and I'm thinking somewhere warm. And AI may ask, that sounds great. Are you looking for a beach destination? Or would you prefer a city where you can enjoy warm weather? A beach? That sounds perfect. Excellent choice. Do you have a budget in mind? Not expensive, but I don't want to be compromised on comfort either. Understand. Would you prefer an all-exclusive resort or just renting a place where you can cook some meals? An all-exclusive resort sounds hassle-free, but it should be family-friendly too, because as I'm taking my kids. Oh, I can take that family-friendly resorts with great review. Do you need anything to be close to any attraction like parks or cultural sites? Yes, that would be ideal. Some close to nature sports would be fantastic. Got it. I will find options that balance beach fun with nearby nature attractions.